van should be easy to handle, offer driver visibility, and be easy to park. Its cargo should be easily accessible from the front, from the side, and from the rear. Everything about a van, from its basic design, including its overall length and interior roominess, to the ruggedness and dependability of its suspension components, to how much it weighs and how this weight affects its cargo carrying capacity, and to how easy it is to service. All these factors affect a van's operating efficiency and economy, and its lasting value. These are the critical van characteristics that formed the basis for the Chevrolet design. Let's compare Chevy Van, proven in over 4 years of design refinement, with Ford's new EconoLine. EconoLine has a new body and frame design and a new nose that extends 3 feet forward of the door frame. The front axle has been moved forward 14.5 inches and 18.5 inches on the 2 wheelbases. The engine has been moved forward, all resulting in longer wheelbases, longer outside length, heavier empty weight, and less interior room than comparable Chevy vans. Chevy vans are offered in 3 series and 2 wheelbases, 110 inches and 125 inches. EconoLine vans are offered in 4 series and 2 wheelbases, 124 and 138 inches. Here's Chevy's best-selling van, the G20, on a 125-inch wheelbase, which has a longer load length than Ford's most comparable model, the E150 EconoLine on a 138-inch wheelbase. This EconoLine has a 13-inch longer wheelbase, is almost 6 inches longer in overall length, yet the box dimensions of both vans are approximately the same. The G20 Chevy van has a 100-pound advantage in maximum GVW rating, but more importantly, Chevy Van's curb weight is 313 pounds less than the E150 EconoLine. Less curb weight is an advantage when operating empty, and it allows larger payloads. From the gross vehicle weight rating, subtract the curb weight of each van, and the G20 Chevy van has a 413-pound carrying capacity advantage. This means that, in this example, the G20 Chevy van, because of its higher maximum GVW rating and lower curb weight, can carry 413 pounds more people and cargo. Chevy van's lower curb weight and greater cargo carrying capacity are a result of its unitized body. It's a lightweight yet sturdy structure with an integral body and frame welded together for strength and durability. EconoLine uses a ladder-type frame and a bolt-on body. This added weight built into a van not only reduces its cargo carrying capacity, it also takes fuel to pull that extra weight around. Sometimes, what a van can carry is more important than how much it can carry. These 14.5-foot sections of pipe fit easily into the G20 125-inch wheelbase Chevy van. Even with a 13-inch longer wheelbase and almost 6 inches longer overall length, this EconoLine's maximum cargo length is 5.5 inches shorter. From the rear of the seat to the rear door at the floor, EconoLine is almost 3.5 inches shorter. At the belt line, over 5 inches shorter. And from the engine cover to the rear door, over 3.25 inches shorter than Chevy van. Inside, Chevy van is over an inch wider than EconoLine between the wheel housings and over an inch and a half wider at the belt line. Racks and bins from Chevy vans produced since 1970 are still interchangeable, an important consideration for fleets, utilities, and trades. Because of design changes, racks and bins from previous EconoLine models may require alterations. One-door loading is a time-saving convenience, but this protruding lock striker bolt in the EconoLine could be a nuisance or cause cargo damage. Chevy Van's rear door opening measures almost 1 inch higher and over 1.5 inches wider than ECONOLINE's rear door opening. Chevy Van's standard sliding side door opening measures over 49 inches high and over 44 inches wide. ECONOLINE's available sliding side door is over 1 inch lower, over 3 inches narrower, and the 58 pounds it adds to the curb weight of the vehicle further reduces its cargo carrying capacity. Chevy Van offers 5 engines, 2 6-cylinders and 3 V8s. ECONOLINE offers only 1 6-cylinder and 2 V8s. With ECONOLINE's new extended nose, the service check access is now up to the general standards of Chevy Van. But inside, ECONOLINE's engine cover is 4 inches wider than Chevy Van's. As a result, ECONOLINE's driver foot area is more crowded, less comfortable than Chevy Van. In Chevy Van, both the driver and passenger seats face directly forward. ECONOLINE's passenger seat is angled outward, and there's also less room in the ECONOLINE's passenger foot area. Chevy Van owners benefit from a number of long-lasting value features. Ask your Chevy salesman to explain the benefits of Chevy Van's massive girder beam independent front suspension, shielded front shock absorbers, staggered rear shock absorbers, lining wear sensors on G20 and G30 series front disc brakes, finned rear brake drums, high-energy ignition system, and ELPO electrocoating body corrosion protection. Then, drive Chevy Van and compare the benefits of its more compact design, shorter overall length, and its impressive maneuverability and ease of handling. In addition to Chevy Van, ask your Chevy salesman about high cube vans with steel or aluminum bodies. Chevy cutaway vans, designed for economical conversion into a wide range of applications. And Chevy step vans, also available in steel or aluminum bodies with up to 717 cubic feet of cargo capacity. Yes, Chevrolet offers an unsurpassed selection of vans, and they all deliver lasting Chevy value.